the maximum minus the midline. The maximum minus the midline. Or amplitude equals the midline minus the minimum. So it's distance from the middle up or the middle down. And it is always positive. So I could write over here, always, parentheses, a positive value. Right, and finally the period is the time it takes to complete one cycle. The time it takes to complete one cycle. Or the interval, if you want to think about it differently, the interval over which the values repeat. So every 3 the values repeat, or every 10 the values repeat. Those would be the periods. So maybe the interval over which the values repeat. Interval over which the values repeat. Any questions on that? Any of those pieces? Still great. Are there one person or two? One. If you think about these are graphs that Mariah made yesterday. Y equals cosine theta. Should say y equals sine theta. We need to fix that. Anyways, this is a periodic function. The graph repeats. Here's one cycle. Then it does the cycle again. The period is how long it takes for a cycle to complete. So from 0 to 2 pi. The midline is halfway between the max, which is 1, and the minimum is -1. So the midline is 0, y equals 0, and the amplitude is 1.
So by time you mean distance?
By time we mean distance. Often it'll be time, or it could be distance. Any questions on that? Okay, let's move this here.